Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So right here in front of me I have the Seiko 5 SSK05 GMT version, and I would like to unbox it. And let's go to the specs over here. I'm gonna link down in the description a couple of links on Amazon where I get a tiny bit of commission if you want to support the channel. And let's get into this video right now. So this is how the box comes in as you get it. Let you see what I'm talking about. Here you go, here's the model. SSK005K1. So not the made in Japan, but I believe made in Asia version. Okay, so what happens when I unbox, this is what you get. So the manuals are here, the receipt is here. I paid for this watch from my own pocket. I added to my collection. So I would appreciate that some of you could, support the channel and whatnot. I believe I paid around just over 600 Canadian. But now before I show you the box, let's see the watch. This is what happens, you see. This is the manual. This is another blue manual, my receipt. And I'm gonna put this aside now, okay? And let's focus on the watch, on the box. So there's another box now. This is what's happening, okay? I would say just over 2 inches, 2.5 inches wide, okay? And I'm gonna pop this off. This is the logo. So it's got that newer logo on the texture, okay? By the way, this thing came off. So it has this little foam thing, this to protect the watch, which is very nice. This is really a nice touch. Because this thing retails for about 700 Canadian or 500 USD. So this is not a cheapy watch, to be quite honest, okay? Again, you get this pillowcase. There's gonna be the tag. There is the tag, you see, SSK05, there you go. Okay, and then there's a few links in there, you see? So that's pretty much, I have sized it for the size wrist 8 inch, but you see you still have quite a few links, so they are quite generous when it comes to links. Now I'm gonna put this pillow aside and show you the watch. Now look at this, beautiful. This is just a timepiece. I'm gonna just look at this thing. I am fairly impressed. I have worn it for quite some time, for a few months, I would say even longer. So it still looks pretty new, but as you see, okay, now let's look at the specs, okay? Now I brought this measurement over here. Purposely ordered this one so I don't damage the watch. Lug-to-lug. 45, you see, 45 centimeters. So that's quite, see, it's, yeah. However, I will have to say that it's very comfortable on it. And let's see here, what are we talking about? Okay, 43, I believe. 44 millimeter. Let's see the thickness. Okay, see, I'm very gentle. 14 millimeters. Yeah, let you see what I'm talking about. Okay, so as you can see, pretty, pretty big watch, I would say, yeah. Okay, I'm gonna put it on the wrist. My wrist, just for example, you can see what I'm talking about. I would say it fares very, very comfortable. Do you see what I'm talking about? There you go. Quite improved, the clasp. Let you see how the mechanism works. So you have this thing on top, and then you have to press these two, and okay, this is it. So now I'm gonna close it and go over some specs here for you guys, so you can see what I'm talking about. Okay, so what we have here, so we have a stainless steel, yeah, pretty solid and polished. You see what I'm talking about? You have drilled lugs, which is very, very nice. Let you see what I'm talking about. There's one here, there's one on this side. There's the lugs, of course, on that side, okay? Now, I definitely like how they have crown on the bigger side. See, crown here is pretty big. solid. Again, you can manually hack and wino this thing. I'm gonna just shut up for a second. Hopefully you can hear, but as you're winding it, you can definitely hear. So we have gone over the measurements. Let's measure the clasp, okay? And what do we have here? Okay, 17, I believe. 17 millimeter, okay? So there you go. Yeah. Now over here, when it comes to the clasp, you have four adjustments. So these are 4 micro adjustments that I really like. They give you quite a bit of room. Now this is folded clasp that has improved quite a bit. You see? It's not the best, but it's definitely not the worst. And the links are definitely solid. So you see, it's got the solid links. It does wear quite comfortably, I will say that, okay? Now speaking about some specs, this is the stainless steel, okay? The glass is a sapphire crystal. So that's why it's quite nice, you see, okay? Water resistance is 200 meters, okay? And that's quite nice, so I guess you can swim with it. Movement is 6R54, okay? Quite a robust movement if you ask me. And then the power reserve is 72 hours of power reserve. So you can, this thing can be manually wind, hacked, and then you can leave it overnight. However, in order to get that accurate, timing, I would also say that you gotta wear it quite a bit. Now I had to wear this watch all the time in order to show the time, proper, so keep that in mind. Now one thing that we're gonna go now, I'm gonna flick the light off and I'm going to show you the lume. I think that lume on this thing is quite impressive, okay? Now let's shut the light off. Okay, now let's see the lume, okay. Oh wow, the lume is just impressive. You see? It doesn't illuminate the bezel, which is kind of unfortunate, but there you go. I'm gonna just put my hand in there, see? The lume is just impressive, okay. Now let's go back now. Yeah, and this is pretty much that. So I'm pretty happy with the watch. There isn't much to talk about. I'm gonna link a couple of links in the description where I'm affiliated, and I get a tiny bit of commission if you support the channel. But that's pretty much that. Hopefully you found this useful. Like, subscribe, and take care. Bye-bye.